Hello everyone, I'm Minal Kaisar. I'm still undergraduate student at English department in Daffodil International University. I completed my SSC with 4.28 out of 5 in Science department from Shabar SAD School. Later, I completed my HSC with 4 out of 5 respectively from Shabar Model College in Humanities department. I studied my school year at Science department, then I shifted towards Humanities from Science department. After completed HSC, I chose English as major course in my university life. English is and always was my favorite subject. I was always interested about literature, language, communication, etc. Language and communication always provides us various kinds of opportunity. English language also help us to connect with various kinds of people all over the world. That's why I actually chose English department to continue my academic studies in university. As an English student, I improved various things such as reading, writing, basic grammar, listening and speaking skill. Throughout years, my studies teach me about time management, then communication in various kinds of situation, etc. Throughout my last 3 years at academic studies, I also learned about the importance of discipline, teamwork and unity. These things are very important in daily life. I also taught various kinds of activities such as assignment, presentation, group work and also other co-curricular activities from university, which made me very mature and responsible man. Then I am also familiar with other technical skills such as PowerPoint, Excel, Google Docs and sites, video, photo editing, etc. These types of activities helps me a lot in daily life, especially when it comes to my daily activities and academic activities. In my free time, I also enjoy reading books, watching movies, spending time with my friends and family, drawing and gardening. These activities always helps me remain motivated, relaxed and creative. I always consider myself positive, hardworking, adaptable person who's always willing to learn. My goal is build a career where I can use my own knowledge, communication skill and creativity to any organization. Also developing himself professionally and personally. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much for taking time to watch my video resume.